Hi, my name is Tanya Batts. I'm a personal trainer at Gold Gym. How to avoid cellulite. The things you will need for this are dumbbells, mat, and some space. So cellulite is fat. Want to avoid it? Don't eat it. Be careful what you eat. Read your labels. You really need to think about cutting down on your fatty foods, your carbs. You just want to watch what you eat. There are good carbs out there, 100% whole wheat. And your sugar, your sodium, that stuff is just gonna blow you up. So if you really want to avoid cellulite, let's say you don't have any, congratulations, you basically need to work out, and I'm talking cardio and strength training exercises are best to prevent cellulite. So let's try a few. I like the strength training and cardio in one. Grab your 2 hand weights. Start with this shadow boxing. This is a great way to kind of get the adrenaline pumping, get the heart going. You got these weights, added resistance. The heart rate is really gonna start to go up. Shadow boxing, getting that long, lean muscle, gonna make you look fantastic and keeps the cellulite away. Another thing, because I got the strength training, a little bit of weights, and my own body weight is resistance, you just wanna stand here with your feet underneath your hips. Step 1 foot out, and I'm gonna add a bicep curl in as I do that. Then the other leg. So I've got the upper body working and the lower. Pretty good stuff. So my heart rate's going up because I'm working the thighs, upper body. Let's just say another one. Good old-fashioned cardio. If you're just sitting there not doing a thing, let's just make it interesting. Right here. Jumping jacks. Do it for a minute. Golly, it's just the same old thing, but it's good stuff. Simple. The arms are going over the head. So what that means is your heart rate's going to go up. Do that for a minute. But that's what you got to do. Watch what you eat. Stop smoking, or cut down at least. That's going to help you too. So those are just a few things you want to do to help avoid cellulite.